Everybody stares. Everybody freestyle. Everybody stares. Yo, everybody staring at me like I'm never gonna make it. They're looking at me, I see the glare burning behind my back, like it's killing me. I feel the flash burning fires of the hellfire looking at me. Oh God, like the devil has a dirty deal with me, trying to get into my mind, trying to decide on which should I decide to take the right path or the wrong path. Which one? It's a door that I'm looking at, can't get through the fact of which one I want to take of a path lead to the pill of power, the pill and power to lead me to something really sour. Oh damn, what I do? Almost like I'm over here playing dirty Dan, trying to pick the right choice, pick it up cause I'm gonna make some noise. Yeah, they never know when I come and go, cause that trumpet's gonna sound when I make the loud noise. And I'm never gonna back down from the old sound, when I make it out from the old crowd. Looking at me cause you already know I got the heat, never know what I speak. Speaking like the truth of power, know it leaks like a pistol, so your brain never know when it blow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pow, pow, boom, let it glow.